Hello friends, my name is Munza Aniket. Today video topic is body cavity. A body cavity is any space or component of protein space in animal body. Cavity accumulate the organs and other structure. Cavity as a rotational space containing fluid. Body cavity. There are two largest human body cavities are the ventral body cavity and dorsal body cavity. In the dorsal body cavity, brain and spinal cord are located. The membranes that surround in central nervous system, organs, the brain and spinal cord or the cranials or spinal cavity are present. There are three meanings. The differently lined space containing different types of the fluids. This fluid meaning the example of fluid cerebrospinal fluid, abdominal cavity, the fluid containing peritoneum in a serous fluids. The mammals. Mammalian embryos develop in the two body cavities. This interior cloak linked with the somatic and lateral plate made with the extramelicilium like the plastic and their function of their cavity in humans. The ventral body cavity including thoracic cavity enclosed by robicus and containing the lungs and heart. Abdominal pelvic cavity. This cavity can be divided into abdominal cavity and enclosed by the rubricus and pelvis, it containing kidneys, ureters, stomach, intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, pelvic cavities enclosed by the pelvis and containing bladder, anus, and reproductive system. This cranial cavity in dorsal body present and their principal containing brain and mammals lying with the meanings. Also, the dorsal cavity is a ventral cavity are present in dorsal side of the body. This the presence of spinal cord and also the third cavity present in dorsal body. It is a thoracic cavity with the principal contains hearts and lungs. Precursor cavity they are also known as ventral body. It contains abdominopelvic cavity. Abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity, the both cavities are present in abdominal sides. These abdominal sides have digestive organs and spleens, kidneys, also these are including abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity can including bladder, reproductive organs. Then this ventral body cavity has a two many subdivision. The thoracic cavity and abdo-pelvic cavity. This thoracic cavity more superior subdivision in ventral cavity. It is enclosed by the rubric chains. This thoracic cavity containing lungs surrounding by the pleasure cavity or heart surrounding by the precardial cavity located in menstruum. The diaphragm from the floor of the thoracic cavity is separated from the more inferior abdominal pelvic cavity. Abdominal pelvic cavity, it is the largest cavity in the body, occupy the internal lower half of the tracts. All of the non-membrane physical divides in the abdo-pelvic cavity can be useful for distinguish between the abdominal cavity and pelvic cavity. This abdominal cavity occupies the entire lower half of tract, anterior organs in spine, hours of the organ digestions. Just under the abdominal cavity, anterior cavity of buttocks is a pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity of the final shape, funnel shape like structure in located inferior anterior of the anterior cavity in the host organs in reproduction. Development. At the end of their weak gastrointestinal renal tubes are present which can be one of the largest terminal grains distance called as endoderm. This can be development it And these also cavity are function in different parts and different ways in different organ body parts, including in. Thank you. These are the introduction of the body cavity in human beings.